An airplane moves without a sound, gliding through the open blue. A world below in softer view. The worries fade, the noise grows small. From up here you can see it all. The tangled knots of yesterday unravel in the light of day. Suspended in a peaceful line, the sky feels endless, bright, divine. A gentle space to breathe again, to free the heart from where it's been. But every flight must one day land and place your feet